Toy Slime Fun!
Hello, friends. Today we're going to be playing with the Lego superheroes, the Avengers. And of course, lots of ooey gooey slime. First, we have Spider-Man in his red and blue suit. But this suit is extra special because it's the Iron Spider suit. Look at the cool gold details and 4 golden extra legs. He'll be able to crawl 4 times as fast. Do you know the name of this Avengers superhero? He has a red, white, and blue shield, a black gun, a blue suit with the letter A on his head. That's right, it's Captain America. Then we have this guy with a cool red and gold suit. He has blasters on his hands and his feet so that he can fly high. Do you know the name of this Avenger? You guessed it, it's Iron Man. Wow, look at this guy. He has a black and red suit with a cool silver helmet with red eyes and 2 little antennas on his helmet too. He has the ability to grow super big or super small. Do you know the name of this Avenger? That's right, it's Ant-Man. Whoa, this superhero is dressed all in black. But he does have some cool designs and this neat silver claw necklace with silver details on his mask and costume and 1, 2 pointy ears. And don't forget these super sharp claws on his hands. Do you know the name of this Avenger? Great job! It's Black Panther. This superhero hails from a place called Asgard. He has a cool red cape, long blonde hair, a super powerful hammer, and a blue and silver suit. Do you know the name of this Avenger? You guessed it, it's the mighty Thor. This giant green guy tends to get very angry and smash things. And when he grows super big, he's likely to do some serious damage. He has black hair and this cool gun. Do you know the name of this Avenger? That's right, it's the Hulk. Oh no, what's happened to Iron Spider? All of his Lego pieces have fallen apart and are stuck in the sticky slime. Can you help me get Iron Spider's pieces out of the slime and put back together again? Yay! We did it! We put back together the Lego Iron Spider. Great job, guys. Oh no! Now Captain America's pieces are all broken too. Can you help me put him back together again? Let's do it! Don't forget his shield. Or his weapon. Great job! We got all of the pieces of Captain America put back together. Oh no! Now Iron Man is all broken up into pieces. Can you help me put him back together again? Don't forget his repulsors. Hooray! We did it! Now Iron Man is ready to fly high. Oh no! Now Ant-Man is broken up into tiny pieces. Can you help me put him back together and out of this sticky slime? Great job! We got Ant-Man put all back together. Oh no! Now Black Panther is broken up into tiny Lego pieces. Can you help me put him back together? Don't forget his claws. Yay! We got Black Panther put all back together and ready for his next fight. Oh no! Now Thor's broken up into tiny Lego pieces. Let's get him put back together. We can't forget his mighty hammer. He's gonna need that. Hooray! The mighty Thor is all put back together. Oh no! Even the humongous Hulk is broken into tiny pieces and stuck in the slime. Let's see if we can get him back together. Whoops! Don't forget his weapon. Great job, guys! Hulk is all put back together and ready to Hulk smash! Thanks for helping me build all these Lego Avengers superheroes today. I hope you had a lot of fun. Which one was your favorite? Was it Iron Spider, Captain America, Iron Man, Ant-Man, Black Panther, the Mighty Thor, or the Hulk? I can't wait to slime with you next time. Bye-bye for now.
Toy Slime Fun!
Hello, friends. Today we're going to be playing with the Lego superheroes, the Avengers. And as always, some ooey gooey slime. Oh no! What's happened to the Avengers? They're all wearing the wrong heads. Can you help me put the right heads on the right Avengers? Let's start with Iron Man's head. Which superhero body does it match with? Hooray! We found it! We matched Iron Man's head with Iron Man's body. Do you remember which Avenger this head is? That's right, it's Black Panther. Let's see if we can find his body. Great job! We matched Black Panther's head with Black Panther's body. This head belongs to Thor. Can you help me find Thor's body? Hooray! We did it! We matched Thor's head with Thor's body. Do you remember which Avenger wears this cool helmet? Great job! It's Ant-Man. Let's see if we can find his body. Great job! We matched Ant-Man's head with Ant-Man's body. You all know which Avenger this head belongs to. It's Spider-Man! Can you help me find Iron Spider-Man's body? We matched Spider-Man's head with the Iron Spider-Man body. Do you remember which Avenger this head belongs to? You guessed it! It's Captain America! Can you help me find Captain America's body? Great job, guys! We matched Captain America's head to Captain America's body. We only have one more mixed up superhero head left, and it's the Hulk. Can you help me find the Hulk's body? Hooray! We did it! We matched Hulk's head to Hulk's body. Great job, guys! Thanks for helping me get the wrong superhero heads onto the right superhero Avenger bodies. I hope you had a lot of fun. Which Lego superhero Avenger was your favorite? Was it Ant-Man, Thor, Black Panther, Spider-Man, the Hulk, Iron Man, or Captain America? I can't wait to slime with you next time. Bye-bye for now.
Toy Slime Fun!
Hello, friends. Who's ready to have some fun with the Lego Avengers and Ooey Gooey Slime? Today we're going to take Hulk, Thor, Iron Man, Iron Spider, Black Panther, Captain America, Ant-Man, and mix up all their Lego pieces into crazy new superheroes. In the green slime, we have all of the Lego Avengers heads. In the blue slime, we have all of the Lego Avengers bodies. In the red slime, we have all of the Lego Avengers legs. And in the yellow slime, we have all of the Lego Avengers weapons. Let's pick one piece from each ball of slime and see what crazy superheroes we come up with. Whoa! Look at this silly superhero. He has Captain America's head, Iron Man's body, Hulk's legs, and Thor's magic hammer. Which one should we pick next? All done! Look at this silly superhero. He has Black Panther's head, Iron Spider's body, Thor's legs, and Iron Man's repulsor blasters. What do you guys think? Time for the next one. Look at this silly superhero. He has Iron Man's head, Black Panther's body, Iron Spider's legs, and Captain America's shield. Do you guys like this silly superhero? Time for the next one. Wow, look how cool this silly superhero is. He has Hulk's head, Captain America's body, Iron Man's legs, and Black Panther's super sharp claws. Whoa, look out for this guy. Let's make some more. Awesome this superhero is. He has Thor's head, the Hulk's body, Black Panther's legs, and Iron Spider's extra spider legs. Look out, this guy will be wall crawling in no time. Wow, look how cool this superhero is. He has Ant-Man's head, Thor's body, Captain America's legs, and Hulk's rocket launcher. This guy looks pretty cool. It looks like we only have one more silly superhero to make. Our last silly superhero turned out pretty good. He has Iron Spider-Man's head, Ant-Man's body, Ant-Man's legs, and Ant-Man's size regulator. Ant-Man and Spider-Man together make a pretty cool superhero. I had a lot of fun making these mixed up Lego Avengers superheroes. Which one was your favorite? Was it number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, or number 7? I can't wait to slime with you next time. Bye-bye for now.
Toy Slime Fun!
Who's ready to have some fun with the Paw Patrol and Hot Wheels cars today? And don't forget, lots of ooey gooey slime! learn colors. Green. It's Rocky, wearing a green collar and a green hat. Blue. Let's see who's inside. It's Chase, with a blue collar and a blue hat. Yellow slime. Let's see who's inside. It's Rubble, wearing a yellow collar and a yellow hard hat. Red slime. Let's see who's inside. It's Marshall, wearing his red collar and his red fireman hat. Purple slime. Let's see who's inside. It's Sky, wearing her purple collar and her purple goggles. Orange slime. Let's see who's inside. It's Zuma, wearing his orange collar and orange helmet. Let's put Rocky in the green slime. Whoa! Rocky transformed into this cool green race car. Let's put Chase in the blue slime and see what happens. Wow! Chase transformed into this awesome blue truck. Vroom, vroom. Let's put Rubble in the yellow slime. Wow! Rubble transformed into this bright yellow race car. Let's put Marshall in the red slime. I can't wait to see what Marshall transformed into. Wow, look at this awesome red race car. Let's see how fast it is. Let's put Sky in the purple slime. Wow! Sky transformed into this super speedy purple race car. Let's put Zuma in the orange slime. What do you think Zuma transformed into? Cool! Zuma transformed into an orange race car. Thanks for helping me transform the Paw Patrol pups into Hot Wheels race cars. I hope you had a lot of fun. Which color was your favorite? Was it green, blue, yellow, red, purple, or orange? I can't wait to slime with you next time. Bye-bye for now.
Toy Slime Fun!
Hello, friends. We're the PJ Masks, and today we're going to be showing you some of our favorite dinosaurs. Let's use this time travel slime to go back in time to find our favorite dinosaurs. We found my favorite dinosaur. This dinosaur is super fast like me, has super sharp claws and sharp teeth, and a strong, powerful tail. Do you know the name of my favorite dinosaur? That's right, it's Tyrannosaurus Rex. Bring on the slime so I can go back in time. We found my favorite dinosaur, Dimetrodon. Can you guess why he's my favorite? Well, because he's a lizard just like me. He also has this super cool sail on his back, a long tail, and walks on all four legs. Dimetrodon is one cool dinosaur. I'm ready to fly back in the past. Wow, I can't believe I found my favorite dinosaur. Its name is Pteranodon. Can you guess why I like it so much? Because it has wings and can fly just like me. It also had a long beak and teeth. It has a really long head. I really like Pteranodon. I can't wait to go back in time to show you my favorite dinosaur. I found it. I finally found it. My favorite dinosaur of all time, Pachycephalosaurus. It's my most favorite because He knows how to use his head, just like me. I use my head for smarts, but he uses his head for brute force. Pachycephalosaurus is my favorite dinosaur. Luna Girl is ready to go back in time. My favorite dinosaur, Brontosaurus. It had the longest neck and the longest tail in the whole universe. If my neck and tail were that long, I could reach anything I wanted and have it all to my own. I love the Brontosaurus. Come on. Let's sneak into the time of the dinosaurs. Say hello to my little friend. Just like me, my favorite dinosaur is sneaky and agile and can sneak up on even the most fierce of predators. It's the raptor. It is also one of the smartest dinosaurs that ever lived. It had sharp teeth and sharp claws. I love raptors. Howoo! Let's travel to the past. Cool. I found my favorite dinosaur, Triceratops. This dinosaur is the coolest because it has 1, 2, 3 horns and an awesome frill. We have a lot in common because we have really cool hairdos. Let's get out of here, buddy. I'm ready to rip into time travel. Found my favorite dinosaur, the Stegosaurus. This is my favorite dinosaur because just like me, it has on one cool outfit. Just look at all of those plates on its back. Doesn't it look amazing? Let's get out of here, Stegosaurus. Hey, let's howl into the past. Check out my favorite dinosaur, Ankylosaurus. He's super cool like me because he's covered in spikes. Look at those spikes all over his back and his tail and his head. He even has spikes on all of his toes, just like me. Let's go spike it up, Ankylosaurus. We hope you had fun learning the names of our favorite dinosaurs today. Which dinosaur is your favorite? I can't wait to slime with you next time. Bye-bye for now.
Toy Slime Fun!
Who's ready to have some fun with the Paw Patrol, Thomas the Train, and Slime? Hey, look! It's our favorite Paw Patrol pup, Marshall! What do you think will happen to Marshall if we cover him in this red slime? Bye-bye, Marshall! magic red slime has turned Marshall into the red tank engine, James. Next up, we have the Paw Patrol pup, Rocky. What do you think will happen to Rocky if we cover him in this green slime? Wow! The green slime has transformed Rocky into the green train, Gator! Hello there, Chase. Can we use this magic blue slime to transform you into something amazing? Let's do it! Hooray! The magic blue slime transformed Chase into Thomas the Tank Engine! Hello, Thomas! Okay, Zuma, it's your turn to transform. With this magic orange slime. Get ready, get set, go! Wow, the magic orange slime transforms Zuma into this cool orange tank engine, Nia. Choo-choo. Hi there, Rebel. What are you going to transform into? Let's put on the magic yellow slime and see what happens. Amazing! The magic yellow slime transformed Rubble into this yellow train. Do you know his name? That's right, it's Bert. Wow, look at all of our new Thomas and Friends trains. Let's cover Thomas and his friends in the magic slime again and see what happens. Okay, Nia. Get ready for the magic orange slime. Wow! The magic orange slime turned Nia the train back into Zuma! Let's see what happens if we cover Gator with our magic green slime. Bye-bye, Gator! Wow! The magic green slime changed Gator the train back into Rocky! James, are you ready to transform with the magic red slime? Work your magic. Amazing! The magic red slime changed James back into Marshall. Okay, Thomas, your turn to transform with the magic blue slime. Goodbye, Thomas. Wow, the magic blue slime transformed Thomas back into Chase. We only have one more train left. Okay, Bert, it's your turn to transform with the magic yellow slime. Hooray! The magic yellow slime transformed Bert back into rubble. I'm so glad we have the Paw Patrol back and ready for the rescue. Thanks for helping me transform the Paw Patrol pups into Thomas and Friends today. I hope you had a lot of fun. Which character was your favorite? Was it Rubble, Bert, Chase, Thomas, Marshall, James, Rocky, Gator, Zuma, or Nia? I can't wait to slime with you next time. Bye-bye for now. If you liked this fun video, make sure to hit the thumbs up. If you want to see more toy slime fun videos, make sure to push the red subscribe button. Also, leave me a comment below telling me which toys you want to see us slime next. See you next time!